Julia here for Complete Probe Solutions. I'm here to talk about singulated die alignment and why this new Apex feature is important to the semiconductor test industry. Multi-die modules are increasingly used in chip manufacturing, and it's important as ever that each die, or chiplet if you will, is known to function before assembling into the module. I'm sure your company does not want to be the one whose die causes the whole module to be scrapped. That would not be good. The Apex platform allows for efficiently testing chiplets after singulation, ensuring chip producers ship known good die. Testing these chiplets post-SAW becomes challenging because the die can be significantly misaligned. Whether on film frame or reconstituted wafer, Apex singulated die alignment puts probes on pads accurately. Here is a video of singulated die alignment in action. The operator picks a target on the die that is unique in the field of view. If die size is known, great. If not, the system can automatically figure it out with an additional step. The system now proceeds with alignment and automatically compensates for die shift, rotation, or stretch. Notice the changing of the theta number during the alignment process. The single die alignment feature places each die under a camera, determines its offset from the ideal location, and if needed, also rotates the wafer to ensure accurate alignment to the probe card. Until now, these types of wafers would often have to be probed on a manual probe station and require intensive manual intervention. The new Apex feature makes it possible to do this on an automatic high-volume manufacturing prober. Like to learn more? Feel free to contact us via our website at completeprobe.com or give us a call at 408-755-5567. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time.